OTrim for those who have been asking. So from your back office, there's you usually land on the dashboard, but if you go down here, you have OTrim. So the OTrim is coming up. Now these are the things that are already that I've already done, but let's imagine you want to do a new one. So if you leave it on trim URL here, it gives you the one generated by the platform. But if you want to create a custom URL, you click here. Now what you do is this, and this is any link here. You can use any link, but um, let's use your link from OnPassive. So let me go back there and get my links. Okay, so here's my links, and you can pick the latest OnPassive link. That's link 58. So copy link. So it says link copied successfully. Now I don't have to go back out to OTrim um, because it's up here. So here's OTrim. So it takes me straight back to OTrim. Now, and I go back here, create custom URL, and I can paste my OnPassive link here. Now, here you see this is what's going to start your shortened link. So all you have to put here is whatever you want your new link to be. So for this training, I'm just going to make it, let's say, friends. Okay, so it's OTrim. The new name should be https semicolon / otrim.ai/friends. So I'm going to say you should trim it. If nobody else has picked it, I'll be allowed to use it. So trim it. Okay, so it says the given custom part is or is already in existence or something. So let me think of something different. So let me make it um, Sam Tech, and you have to put your link here again. Let's trim it. So it says custom URL created successfully. So if you go here, the new URL I created is here, and that's this Samtech. Now I have to add an alias. So you click on that, and you have to type here, and I'll make my alias the same name I picked. So my alias is Samtech, and then I click. So it's the alias name added successfully. Now, because I just picked this um, Samtech, there's nothing to track yet because I haven't posted it anywhere. But I can go to some of the ones that I've used, like Funbiz. So imagine you want to find out how many people have been, clicking on your shortened link. So we want to look for Funbiz. How many people have been clicking on it, and where are they from? So now I want to track. So it says search alias name. So I type in Funbiz. So it brings Funbiz up. And normally I should just click track and it should track it. So let's track. So it says please select data. So I don't know why it says that, but what I always do is I come back here. Here's my Funbiz, and I click this check mark here. Let's see if it works now. Okay, still simply select it. So sometimes I click on this just to look at it. I don't do anything special. Then I click check mark again. It says track. So now when I click track, it comes up like this, but you have to give it time because um, you can't see it, but it's it's loading. Yes, that's the word. It's loading. So allow it to finish loading. Okay, so here is the tracking for Funbase. So here you can see the number of people who have been. Okay, somebody even looked at it today, July 13th. Somebody looked July 12th, July 9th. This person is from Ashburn. Now this person has looked at it twice recently because you can see their IP address. I don't know if it's their phone or their computer or different, but I think I have somebody in Ashburn who looks at my website regularly. That's in the United States. So you see people from all over Singapore, Paris, France, India, people from the United States, Singapore, Solomon Islands. So these are all the people who have been, from my home state, Nigeria. So people have been looking at the website, so I can see how many people are actually clicking on that particular shortened link. I use that for my YouTube videos. Sometimes I use it for the shorts because I called it Funbiz because shorts are usually, younger people. So hopefully they would like that name. But then I also have other names. So that's just a simple way to, track it. I hope this helps. Um, if you if I remove Funbiz here, I have so many shortened names. I have um, shorts. I have my complete business. I have Techno USA. You know, so I can check any of them. Just if you want to, you don't have to, but sometimes you want to know if your links, if anybody is clicking on your links. So thank you very much. Bye. Okay, I want to end this video.